holding. Just like, yeah, like a, you know what a crescent wrench is?
The one that looks
Like this.
Cheers.
What?
Bar,
Yeah.
they're going to give you less bourbon because you're going to have more, whatchamacallit, you're going to have more lemon juice. So it tastes really good, but at home, I would just add the whiskey sour. I would make basically the lime juice be equal to the I would make the lemon juice be equal to the simple syrup. So you'd have a balance of sweet and sour. And then still use the 2 ounces. But if you ordered it in the real world, you're going to get less bourbon. So if you want more bang for your buck, essentially...
Just give me a drink. That's all.
It's right there.
We're trying to... Let's see.
I need a bucket just in case.
I don't need a bucket.
Okay.
I don't need a bucket. That's right, here it is. Come on. Yeah, buddy. I do need to take the P-trap off, though. Yeah, give me a bucket. Well, I got a towel already, but...
So like this? Like
Here, like
wait,
with the flat screwdriver, you can just scrape it all out.
Inside? Oh, I can do that. Look at all that. It's just going inside?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's just going down the bottom there.
Okay. So now...
You want to clean that out with the little...
With like the...
You want on my face? Yeah, okay.
Okay, yeah. We'll see if it does that. Okay, you ready? No. Oh wait, we should probably clear out some of those chunks though, right? Did you get the gold thingy out?
The gold thing is gone, so it probably went down to the sink.
We didn't need it anyway?
We don't need that.
Okay. Wait, before you turn it on, shouldn't we clear this out? Because we don't want that stuff going down there, right?
It's up to you. I mean, let's see.
I don't know. Is it bad? Is it going to clog things?
IDK.